Hello everybody, Bengala Tunji. Welcome to James Associate channel, Accounting 101, Accounting Equations. Today for the beginners is what we will be quickly talking about. When we are talking about accounting equation, basically we are talking about three elements in accounting. We are talking about assets, we are talking about liabilities, and we are talking about capital, or what we can call equity. So assets basically are those items on our statement of financial position, in which previously we call balance sheets. Those items that we own and use to run our business, like equipment, machinery, plants, and the like. And liabilities rather are those items or those things that we've enjoyed, like services rendered unto us by our vendors, but we are yet to pay for. So they are obligations. They are obligations on our parts. So assets are things we own. Liabilities are goods or services that we might have enjoyed but yet to be paid for. And the third element is the capital or the equity. Basically, these are the funds donated for the running of the business by the owner, which we call shareholder, equity shareholder in particular. So this forms the basic element of accounting equation, and the equation is simple as you can see. Simple and straightforward. Assets minus liabilities equal capital, or assets minus liability equal capital or equity. This is basic accounting equation. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to continue to join us as we build ourselves together in community of finance as it relates to accounting, management, strategy, and the like.